Ladies and gentlemen, let me take you back to a time when trucks had real steel, campers had real wood, and road trips smelled like gasoline, not sanitizer. I'm talking about the 1968 International Harvester 1300B Mitchell camper. A rig so solid, it looks like it could tow your house and your neighbor Gary's ego. Now this 1300B isn't your average pickup. I believe it's the four-wheeled embodiment of 1960s determination. Under the hood sits a 345 cubic inch, 5.7-liter V8 engine paired with a 4-speed manual transmission, the kind that builds forearm muscles faster than a gym membership. Power heads straight to the dually rear axle, and I think that's what gives this truck its "don't mess with me" stance. The brakes and carburetor were recently overhauled, and the seller even replaced the spark plugs, belts, and tires. It's ready to hit the open road, or at least make a dramatic entrance at the local car meet. The camper itself? A Mitchell masterpiece, gold and white, with stripes that scream retro chic, and an air conditioner on the roof that's newer than most of my jokes. It's got hinged windows, towing mirrors, a ball hitch, and an extended rear bumper that doubles as a loading dock for your bikes or your buddy Carl's questionable camping gear. The only thing missing is the radio antenna, probably lost during one of those "it'll fit under the bridge" moments. Inside, it's pure 1968 luxury. Tan vinyl seats, brown carpeting, and wood grain paneling everywhere you look. There's a galley with a stainless steel sink, a Wedgwood 4-burner stove, and a vent hood that's seen more bacon than a diner grill. The dinette area has brown vinyl benches, and the cab-over bunk has a mattress perfect for one adult, or two people who really like each other. I like the most the built-in ladder and ceiling vent. That touch of practicality only old-school RV builders understood. Sure, the fridge and furnace don't work, but who cares? You'll be too busy talking about it to notice. The water closet? Let's just say it's functional. A sink, a Monomatic toilet, and a light that works when it feels like it. The seller patched one wall with tape, but hey, I call that DIY charm. The camper doesn't have holding tanks, which means you'll be depending on utility hookups, or, as my friend Dave says, nature's plumbing. With just 26,000 miles, around 41,800 kilometers showing on the odometer, and an estimated value between $18,000 and $25,000 USD, $16,800 to $23,400, this International Harvester is a steal for anyone who appreciates history with horsepower. It's not perfect. There's an oil leak and a cracked paint run on the left door, but every scar tells a story, and this truck's got plenty. You can find more about the 1300B Mitchell camper on the official International Harvester Archive website. Yes, that still exists. And before I go, remember, you can become a sponsor of our channel for just $1. That's right. $1 keeps the jokes rolling, the gas tank half full, and Gary from borrowing our extension cords again. The link's in the description below. Click it before the carburetor needs another rebuild.